My little cat. Bobby is my little cat. She is 1 year old. She is yellow. She is very cute. She likes to play around the house. She loves to play fetch with me. She can play it all day long. She is very smart. Her favorite place to sleep is under my desk, but sometimes she sleeps in the kitchen. She loves to eat hot dogs a lot. She is a very good and funny cat. I love her.